My name is Magnus Gålfalk. I work at the Department of Environmental Change in Linköping University. My background is in astronomy with method development, instrumentation, mathematical calculations and modeling. So we have tried to convert these methods to be used and applied in environmental science. This is a drone that maps methane. So we fly around with a drone and we have different parameters that we log on this logger every second. This is a pole that has a weather station on the top. So we measure the wind speed and the wind direction. That's why we have it on a pole here, to not be influenced by the propellers. And then we have in this box, it's a weatherproof box under, it contains a laser and a detector. So we measure methane at the position of the drone at an accuracy of less than 1 parts per billion. So we map this and fly around.